Hello, my amazing 8th graders, and welcome to this library lesson presented to you by Padlet. Today we will be evaluating a few websites for accuracy and credibility. It's important that we have this skill because as you grow, you will need to be able to assess the validity and accuracy of information, whether you are looking for information for a research project or just trying to answer a question for yourselves. We live in a time when just about anything we want to know can be found at our fingertips. So it's important that we're able to find sources that are credible, trustworthy, and objective. By the end of this lesson, my hope is to be able to answer the following discussion question. This is an open-ended question. There is no right or wrong answer. It's all about what you think after completing the lesson objectives. The discussion question is, why do you think people create websites with inaccurate or misleading information? So as we go through our evaluations today, be thinking about that. Why would someone knowingly put inaccurate or misleading information up? All right, let's begin. So there are a couple of amazing things that we're going to be doing. We're going to start off by watching a short video on how to evaluate websites. This video is brought to us by the Oregon School Library Information System. Go ahead and click play when you're ready. It's short and has some amazing information. After that, there's a couple of infographics you can take a look at on how to find common misconceptions when searching online, specifically when looking at information, and the 5 W's of website evaluation. You can click on either of these sources and it will take you to the main page. When you're done, you can click on the side and it'll bring you back to the Padlet. Now, for your main practice today, after watching the video and looking at the infographics, I would like for you to download the following website evaluation checklist. I'd like for you to look at 2 different websites today. Now, as you go through this checklist, what we're looking for is the readability of the website. Can you understand it? Is it accurate? What information exists about the author? What's the purpose? Was it to entertain, persuade, or to actually inform? Is it current? Are the links good? And is it from a specific URL that you know is going to be a little more trustworthy? Once you have downloaded the website evaluation checklist, you can choose any of the websites you see over here. There are 6. I only want you to pick 2. Some of them will be pretty obvious whether or not they are reliable or not. But I want you to take a look and see what you think. Now, I told you this skill was very important, and even as an adult, I have to sit down and look at certain sources to see if they are credible, accurate, and objective. Now, to give you some real-world experience, I actually found a game that'll help you practice these skills at the very end. It's down here at the bottom. This will take you to a wonderful game called Factitious 2020. Now, it starts off at a middle school level and the readability of the articles, and it kind of gets harder as it goes on. You don't need to play the whole thing, but I'd like to give you some opportunities to practice this skill. When you're ready, click OK, and it'll bring you up to an article. It's going to ask you to swipe right if you think the article is real, or swipe left if you think the article is fake. Take a minute, read over the article from the headline, the picture, all the way through, and determine whether or not you think it is real or fake. Once you are done, please share your thoughts back here on the Padlet. I hope you all have fun with this lesson. I know I did, and I look forward to seeing your responses.